Alright, good people of the world, this has turned into the Great Whiskey Run, September 2019. Oh, I was talking to y'all the other day about a bunch of vlogs I lost. Well, I still lost those vlogs, but I have produced more. So this is going to be an artistic night of drinking whiskey and editing videos. Because tomorrow it's going to rain all day, and I don't have to load till the next day. So you know what I'm going to do? I know, it's bad for me. Yeah. It ain't that bad for me. So the Great Whiskey Run is off and loaded. I just stopped and got me some goodies. You can go, lady. I'm not going to get you. Whee! There we go. Alright. But I didn't have to come too far. You can't just go out in Washington and find a liquor store. It's like few and far between for some reason up here in this area of the woods. But the grocery stores carry the stuff. I had some whiskey, I certainly did, and I didn't even realize it. But in some areas, the whiskey they sell is under-diluted because they don't want you to drink very much or something, so they sell you diet whiskey. And that's what I had. And as a sign of revolt, I just got rid of it. Just got rid of the diet whiskey. This backpack's pretty heavy because I got a Coke Zero and 2 quarts of heavy whipping cream, because that's what I like, is heavy whipping cream. Y'all know that keto, whiskey is keto, right? It's like keto approved, and if no one ever told you that, I just told you that. So if you're on the keto, it's okay to have the whiskey. Just remember, drink responsibly, and kids, don't do drugs. Just don't do drugs. It don't pay. See that girl over in the corner? She may not be on drugs, and she may not have been doing drugs, but she may have been. I don't know. It could go either way, right? If you don't want to end up on the correct corner, don't do drugs and stay in school. Oh, that's like that song, right? Fuck the pain away, fuck the pain away. You know what song I'm talking about, right? The Peaches song? Hell, I'll give you an example of the Peaches song right here.
Sucking on my titties like you want.
Well, alright, now that you've seen an example of the Peaches song, I like that song, actually. It's got a sucking on my... Okay, I shouldn't say that stuff, should I? But I didn't say it. Peaches said it. It's entertaining to hear a girl talk that way for some reason. It's just disgusting or something. Well, it's 6:40 in the rest of the normal parts of America, but on the West Coast, on the Gold Coast, it is not. This isn't my turn, is it? You know, I think it is. I didn't realize that I was so close unto where I needed to be. Well, I'll just go down a road and come back around, right? There's nothing wrong with that. But, now, don't be surprised if a video shows up sometime from Mount Rainier. Because I was thinking about going to Mount Rainier today, but all it's done is rained. So I checked the forecast, and it said that's what it's going to do tomorrow too. It said it's going to rain a lot all day tomorrow. So that takes Mount Rainier out of the forecast for tomorrow. Where am I going to turn it? Somewhere up here. This is a good spot. But the next day, and hopefully I will not get to ride around Mount Rainier, and I won't be here the next day. But the next day, if I am still here, that's where I'm headed, is Mount Rainier, because it's going to be cold up there. But this is my last chance for the summer to ride it. Probably. If I do get another chance, I can always ride Mount St. Helens, right? Right. Alright. Let's turn it around right here. Alright, let's go. That about there twisted my head off. Oh, apparently you can ride in this lane, see, with the little diamonds, and I think that means like carpool lane or something like that, but apparently you can do it right now. That wasn't an illegal move, was it? I don't know. It might have been. But anyway, if it was, I made it. Don't y'all tell on me now. Just don't tell y'all. Don't be a narc. Just don't be a narc. See that place right there? They have it's a booby bar. It's a coffee shop with boobies. I should have done a drive-by. I'm so sorry, guys. If I take off and go to Mount Rainier, I will do a drive-by of the Booby Bar Cafe coffee shop. And they have the most wonderful pressed coffee. I think pressed coffee is a lot of damn work. I also think it's worth it. I mean, it does taste a lot better. I haven't tried any of that kind of coffee that you let sit and burp the oxygen out of it and do 49 different steps of purification or whatever, like I've seen them do on the YouTubes. But I bet that would be some awesome coffee too. Alright, let's see, where am I gonna go here? I'm gonna sneak in around these people. Yep, because I can ride on the sidewalk. Doo-dah, doo-dah, Camptown girl is 5 days old. Ah, doo-doo-dah-dee. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Alright, guys, alright. I have arrived back from the great whiskey run. Whiskey River, take my mind. Yeah.